Tired of spending all your free time watering, trimming, and fussing over plants? In this video, we're sharing 10 low-maintenance outdoor plants that will help you create a beautiful garden without all the extra work. Lavender. Lavender is a favorite for so many reasons. It thrives in full sun, needs very little watering once it's settled, and brings a relaxing scent to your garden. Plus, it naturally keeps mosquitoes away and attracts plenty of bees and butterflies. All it asks for is well-drained soil and a sunny spot. Succulents. Succulents are practically built for people who forget to water. With their thick, fleshy leaves, they store water easily and thrive in dry, sunny conditions. You can mix different varieties like sedum, echeveria, and hens and chicks for an eye-catching, colourful display that looks great year-round with almost no effort. Ornamental grasses. If you want to add movement and texture to your garden, ornamental grasses like fountain grass and blue fescue are perfect. They're drought-tolerant, require little fertilising, and only need to be cut back once a year in late winter or early spring. Their gentle swaying adds a calming, natural touch to any space. Coneflowers. Coneflowers, or echinacea, are tough as nails. They handle heat, drought, poor soil, and even a little neglect without a problem. They bloom from summer to fall in vibrant purples, pinks, and whites, and they'll keep coming back year after year. Plus, birds love their seed heads in the fall and winter. Boxwood shrubs. If you love tidy, structured gardens, boxwood shrubs are a must. These evergreen shrubs grow slowly, making them easy to maintain. They can be trimmed into neat shapes or left a little looser for a softer look. They're also very hardy and resist pests and diseases well. Black-eyed Susans. Black-eyed Susans are bright, bold, and practically carefree. Once planted, they spread easily and cover your garden in sunny yellow flowers from midsummer into fall. They handle poor soil, drought, and even deer, making them a great pick for tough spots in your yard. Hostas. Hostas are shade-loving perennials known for their lush, layered leaves. They come in a wide range of greens, blues, and variegated patterns, adding beauty and fullness to darker parts of your garden. They're hardy, low maintenance, and often get bigger and better every year with almost no special care. Russian sage. Russian sage is a real powerhouse for hot, dry gardens. It produces long spikes of soft lavender blue flowers and has silvery, aromatic foliage. It's highly drought-tolerant and thrives in poor soils. Once planted, it asks for almost nothing and still puts on a spectacular show from midsummer to fall. Daylilies. Daylilies are one of the most reliable flowering plants you can grow. Each bloom lasts just a day, but the plant keeps producing new flowers for weeks. They thrive in all kinds of soil, resist drought, and aren't bothered by pests. Even if you do very little, they'll reward you with waves of colour every summer. Yucca. If you want something striking and nearly indestructible, yuccas are the answer. With their bold, sword-like leaves and dramatic white flowers, they make a statement in any garden. Yuccas thrive in poor, sandy soil and full sun, and once established, they hardly ever need watering or attention. The secret to a low-maintenance garden is choosing plants that naturally fit your climate and soil. Add a layer of mulch to lock in moisture and block weeds, and your garden will practically take care of itself. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening tips. And tell us in the comments which of these plants would you love to add to your garden.